Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Stingray Food Dehydrator, a modern kitchen appliance designed for drying fruits, vegetables, herbs, meat, and many other foods at home. If you enjoy healthy snacks or want a convenient way to preserve food naturally, this dehydrator could become a very useful addition to your kitchen. One of the main advantages of this model is its electronic temperature control system. It allows you to choose the right drying temperature depending on the type of food you're preparing. Different products require different drying conditions, and this feature gives you much better control over the final results. The dehydrator includes multiple drying trays, allowing you to prepare several types of food at the same time. You can dry apples, bananas, berries, mushrooms, herbs, vegetables, or even homemade meat snacks and jerky. Another important advantage is healthier food preparation. Instead of frying or using preservatives, dehydration helps preserve natural flavor and nutrients while creating delicious, long-lasting snacks. The appliance also operates relatively quietly, making it comfortable for everyday use at home. Its compact and modern design fits nicely into most kitchens without taking up too much space. Using the dehydrator is very simple. Just place the prepared ingredients onto the trays, set the temperature, and let the appliance slowly remove moisture from the food. Overall, the Stingray Food Dehydrator is a practical and versatile kitchen appliance that combines healthy cooking, food preservation, and convenience in one compact device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.